Welcome to Composet Products and today's video on installing Phylon using Composet CompoBond epoxy. A local do-it-yourselfer had built this small teardrop and asked for some help installing Phylon. The underlying surface is critical and a fair amount of time was spent sanding, filling, and prepping the surface. Once the surfaces were prepared, we began templating the pressure plate we would use as a clamping device to hold the Phylon in place while it cured. Using OSB, we scribed the outline of the teardrop camper and cut it out with a jigsaw. There are a number of ways to make the clamping device. Plywood might be a better choice as it is stiffer to start with. We rough cut the Phylon, then using the wood template as a guide, refine the shape before mounting it to the side temporarily and further fine-tuning it. We cleaned the bonding surface of the Phylon with an auto wax and grease remover, followed by sanding with 220, followed by another washing. We calculated the square footage of area and then chose the Composet CompoBond panel bonding kit in the 3.75 quart size. The Composet CompoBond kit comes with application tools and mixing tools to allow for the ease of application to the wood and the Phylon. The CompoBond product can be applied by brush, roller, or trowel. Here we're going to show you a few different ways to apply the material. The first objective is to apply the mixed material in a relatively even coating using the tools, much like drywall compound or floor coatings. Using the flat edge of the steel trowel included with the kit, a steady and skilled hand can lay down a fairly flat and consistent finish. The CompoBond is applied using the spread rate of 60 square feet per gallon, and once you've achieved an even finish, the notched edge of the trowel provides the gauging necessary for the correct material on the surface to mate with the Phylon. After getting the large areas covered, it takes some work to detail around openings and corners. You've got about 30 minutes to apply the CompoBond before you have to press the Phylon to the surface. That takes 2 people and a little bit of effort to square up. Typically, you've established gauging points using tape or marker to allow you to know exactly where the Phylon has to sit. It's a good idea to use a roller on the Phylon prior to putting the clamping plate in place. With the Phylon temporarily secured in place, we take the clamping pressure plate and set that against the Phylon. In this case, we've set up a small ledger to hold the clamp at the right height. Then we go and apply the clamping and the pressure to the plate. This can get a little tricky depending how rigid and stiff your plate is. After allowing 12 to 24 hours to cure, you can remove the pressure plate. Plasticking everything off and being diligent with your barrier protection helps in the removal process. The Phylon includes a plastic sheeting over the finished surface that we left in place during the installation. Here we have a fully bonded Phylon panel to the side of the teardrop camper. Thanks for watching our video. For more information on these products, please visit us at www.dlamrepair.com or www.rvroofandwall.com.